Beautifully renovated in 2001, this 1900 hilltop colonial farmhouse is in impeccable condition and design. Semicircular driveway is convenient for homeowner and guests alike. Spacious 2+ acre lot offers extra room for the nature and animal lover. New kitchen is 14 by 15.5 and has a high ceiling with granite countertops, large center island, stainless steel appliances, and cherry-stained cabinets. There is a walk-in pantry and a ceramic tiled floor. A 14 by 11.5 formal dining room is adjacent to both the kitchen and living room. It has the original beadboard on the walls and ceiling, a wood floor, and an alcove overlooking the front yard. The grand 24 by 15.5 living room is striking, with a 17.5 beam ceiling and the original fieldstone fireplace outfitted with a convenient gas log insert. There is also the original beadboard on the walls and ceiling, and French doors to the adjacent sunroom. The third bedroom is located on the first floor, which has its own separate entrance into the house, as well as a half bath, making for a perfect small home office situation. You reach the master suite by the curved stairway from the living room. There is a 17 by 11.5 bedroom with an additional walk-in closet and wood floors, original beadboard walls and ceiling that leads to a 11.5 by 8.5 carpeted sitting room with built-ins. French doors lead to a 16 by 16 deck overlooking the pond and your private deck. The master bedroom is a spacious 11.5 by 11.5 size. There is a whirlpool tub that has a beautiful view of the yard and pond. There is also a walk-in tiled shower, 2 separate vanities with granite countertops, and separate water closet. Upgrades in 2001 include windows, cedar shingle siding, architectural shingles, wiring, plumbing, septic system, forced hot water 6-zone heating system by natural gas.